If you want to sound natural in French, you absolutely need to work on the pronunciation of this word right here. This is one of the most common words in the French language, and you use it
every single day.
oftentimes. French learners do not pronounce this word properly, and it really takes away from the flow of the French, if you know what I mean, because that's what we do here. This could be avoided by looking at it in the dictionary and decoding it through the phonetic alphabet. And if you don't know what that means, I'll break it down for you. The mistake here with a lot of learners is they will pronounce the N. Okay, they will say something like
Maintenant.
maintenant or maintenant. If we look, there is no N. There is no N. If we look at how it is phonetically, you will see that it is not really a N sound with an N. It is actually a nasal vowel sound. This is the sound in the word vin. So the first part of this word is main, main, like the word hand in French. Une main. So repeat after me. Main, main, main. Now we put a T sound right after that. Maint, maint, maint. Remember, there is no N sound. There's a sound. So maint, maint. Now let's stop here. There are two pronunciations for this word. One way to pronounce this word is maintenant, maintenant. In a beginner French lesson, I might say it this way. Maintenant, on va faire da 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 da. Or if you're really speaking slowly, but we are not doing that today because we're working on the flow. And we are going to pronounce it like we do in daily conversation, which is not that way. We will most likely pronounce it like maintenant, maintenant, maintenant. Remember, we have main, and then the second part will be non, non, maintenant, 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 maintenant. And this second part, the second syllable, okay, is en, like the color blanc, blanc, non, non, maintenant. Now say it with me. Maintenant, maintenant, maintenant. Bravo! Maintenant, tu peux l'utiliser avec confiance, sans problème.